How to make money promoting Amazon.com products on your Pinterest account. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to a new niche, which is fashion and accessories. So in this niche, we're going to get fashion and accessories products related to this niche from Amazon.com. Right here, we can just type our niche and we will see the best sellers in this niche. Women's fashion or women's jewelry. As you can see, we have a lot of things. Let's go with best sellers. So we pick the best sellers. So we pick a product that have a good price to make sure we get a good commission, and then we will find a good post on Pinterest, or we take a video from TikTok and re-upload it to Pinterest.com and add our link or our referral link that will make us money. So let's go with women's jewelry also. Let's go back to women's fashion, and let's choose women's handbags and purses and wallets. I think it's more expensive than the other ones, and here we choose the best sellers. And this is the best sellers in this niche. So let's choose this one, which costs $75. So here we're just going to take our referral link from this place, text. You click text and you will be able to get your referral link. So let's go to Pinterest. If we can find any post related to our product, and if not, we write our women's bag. So let's see if we can find some good posts. If not, you can just pick this one, this picture, or the video. You can just download this video and upload it to your Pinterest. Here you have also the Pinterest link, but we're interested in uploading the video. So we're just going to click on it. And see if we can upload the video from here. So we can just copy its link. So let's search for a bag that looks like this one. So this is how it looks. Let's see if we can find anything like it. And if we can't find anything like it, we find some bag from here, and then we look for it in Amazon.com. So let's go with this one. This is from Shein. Let's go back. Let's see something that could be from Amazon. Let's choose this one. Let's pick its title and let's write it in Amazon to see if we can find the same bag. So I hope we find the same bag. Let's see if we can find it in here. So I couldn't find something similar, guys, so I'm just going with this one. I'm just going to upload or download this picture. So I'm just going to click right and save image. So I'm going to save this image. So no, we're not going to choose this one. You got to pay attention to this. This thing is frequently returned item. So people frequently return this item. So it gotta be some problem in that item. Let's go with this one. So let's choose this one. Let's download its pictures, save image, and hit save. Then let's go to our Pinterest. Let's hit create, and here you can create your post, create new, drag your picture here, drop it, and then you add a title to your post, a description, your link, the link that leads to this page, we take it from here and we copy it. Then we leave the link right here and we make sure we choose as much tags as we can choose, so that's gonna help the post go viral and show up to a lot of people. That will give us a good chance of making a decent amount of money. And then we hit publish to publish the product or the post to publish our post. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.